Water Park in Stuart, Florida. I'm going to show you all around. There's a lazy river and some slides, a lot of things to do. You stay with us. Sailfish Splash Waterpark 2024. So this is in Stuart, Florida. It's a very nice water park, and it's about $18.95 for adult to go in, $16.95 for children and seniors. And there are also day passes. When you first come in, there's lap pools if you are interested in that. They're always closed when I want to use them, so you'll have to find out about the hours. But here is the main park. This is what you'll see when you go into the main Splash Water Park. A lot of fun things for the children to do. You could also rent a cabana or get there early and get your own chairs, and you can see some of the fun activities all the little ones are doing. There's stuff for the little ones. There's stuff for all different ages. Very busy in the summertime. Here is a place to eat, but over here is the big slide that a lot of the kids like to do. It looks like a lot of fun. You can see it from the lazy river, and you can come over here and see when the kids come off and enjoy that. They all seem to enjoy that, and there is someone at the bottom to make sure that everything goes well, just in case the kids are a little nervous, and the little ones, he'll grab them when they come off if you ask them and they need to be. Here it is again, the slide for those who like slides. There's a lot of kids, and you have to be aware of that. And when there's like Parks and Recreations group, there's a lot of kids. And when you get a lot of kids together, they tend to be a little rowdy. Hey, that's the way it is with all children, so you have to deal with that. But it's okay. It's a lot of fun. It's a fun place to go. I like to go at least once a year and lay on the lazy river. Best time to go on the lazy river if you're older is when they are all at lunch. There I am. It's time for the lazy river, and we're going to take a look around and show you what is on the lazy river. It's basically just, some rafts that you can lay on and do as you want and relax, and you'll go around. And I find it very fun, very relaxing, very soothing. It is noisy. You can see the cabanas on the side. There's plenty of places to sit. You don't have to pay for a cabana if you don't want one. There's seating, all over. There's chairs and benches. And there's also food. Be sure you get food before all the crowds are there to eat or afterwards. Here's a little bit of water. Fun just to keep you nice and cool. It's not a bad place to go. I recommend giving it a try. Lots and lots of fun. It opens at 10:30 till 5, weather permitting. They will close it down if there is a thunderstorm, dark clouds, or some kind of warning. And it usually opens in March on the weekends. And then in the summer, it's open every day, not just on the winter, and it's usually open till either sometime in September or October. You need to check the website, which is sailfishsplash.com. Cabanas are about $145. There's also smaller areas they call clamshells and different things, which are less. Lockers are $15, and if you want a really small locker that you could just fit like your cell phone, those are $10. Here is some shaded seating, but there's also the cabanas, and they sit about 4 to 6, and they come with 4 waters, and they're fairly close. You can also get umbrellas that don't cost anything and relax right here where there is no problem. But, if you like the cabana, it's very good because you can meet. It's a great meeting place. If you have a lot of kids or different families, or, you feel you need to have some privacy. And again, this is where the little ones will go. They will have fun. You can have a chair there as well. We're going to walk around. I'm going to show you the other side. The other side is where you can get drinks. And there's also bathrooms and where the lockers are. Here is where you can get just a little bit of drinks and some snacks like some chips whatever you want. Here is the menu for this one. There's also another one on the other side where you would get lunch, but I will show you that afterwards. They say you're not supposed to bring anything in, but I did see a lot of people bringing food in and eating lunch on their own, so who knows what you can have. Over here is the first aid and lifeguard station. If you need that, that's very important to know. Those are the bathrooms. It's very important to know that as well. And you can see the lockers right over here on the side. I think you have to go in the gift area or when you first go in if you want to rent a locker. This is the food area, and as you can see, it was packed. Down there would be where you would go in and out and where you can go to the other pool. Look how cool the murals are. I gave you a quick glance of this when we first came in, but in case you wanted to see more details, that looks like some kind of competition pool. There are seating areas. Maybe the high school has matches there. This is where more of the public would go. As I said, it was closed and we couldn't go, but sometimes you are able to if that's what you want. That's where the competition area is right there. I've seen synchronized swimmers practice there. Back to the food. Here are some of the foods available and the prices. Take a look. Nothing is low price, but that's the way it is everywhere these days, or so it seems. But you can pick what you want, and if you have a cabana or something, they will bring it right to you. Here we are back in the lazy river because that is definitely my favorite place to be. Over here you can see there's a little like obstacle course, little ropes course you just climb across. Great for the little ones. It's in where the lazy river is. You would just go past the ropes right there and tell them that you want to participate and try that, and they'll let you go through. And this is a look some more around the park from the lazy river. I'll give you a little chance to just enjoy. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up, and watch all our videos on Southern Florida.